We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are at MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition here from bright green bars since February 7th, since way up here at around 43 cents. That same data hit a dip area, did it yesterday, and now it hits it again, guys. Now, MULN stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator since 9:45 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, we're going to break down what's going on here with MULN stock and everything going on within the charts with the inflow versus outflow indicators and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 10:05 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Bull strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition on the 1 hour chart from bright green bars up here to the dip area of white with red borders. And if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips to the rips and the rips to the dips and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator since way up here at 42 cents. It rejected here twice when it tried coming back up. And now in today's volatility, it rejected where things consolidated yesterday at around 40 cents. And I talked about how important that was as a support level, and outflows have been dominating since yesterday and in that rejection of 42 cent area. This is critical to not ignore, and I've also shown what's been going on in the bigger picture when we look at this from the 1 hour, because within the volatility, even though it came back up from around 25 cent, 26 cent area and even popped back up from 34 cents to these highs of 44, the outflows have been dominating all along, and it wasn't just on this run. It's also happened in the previous one from December and the previous one at the beginning of December when it went from around 18 cents to highs here of 39, and also here from 20 cents to highs here of 47 cents. Outflows have dominated all this time. Now, what I have shared in previous videos is we wanted to see if this could go ahead and switch from red to green. And even if it didn't cross the midpoint, that it started to gain strength in the bigger picture, moving up with it to justify the possibility of further strength or even the strength that we're seeing. If not, it turns out to be volatility, because the last time things actually crossed the midpoint was way back here in October, when it went from 21 cents to 46 cents and from 34 cents to 63 cents. And that's the time when we go ahead and the speculation was going on with these inflows picking up that the short squeeze was happening, because based off Ortex and Fintel data, short interest had slightly lowered, and the speculation was that some shorts may have covered, and the charts reflected it, and even the inflows were showing it. But in these last upward swings from 20 cent area to 40 cent area, there hasn't been inflows on the larger time frames. Now, within the volatility, when we zoom in and we look at the 15-minute, yes, we could see the upsides and downsides. And since yesterday, it's been under a bear indicator on the 15-minute since 41 cents. And these outflows have been dominating, and supports have been broken through. Even when it came back down here to 37 cents, it tried bringing itself back up, and it rejected again to the next leg down to even test down here the 35 cent area. And outflows are below the midpoint. It's going to be crucial to see if these inflows could start picking up and try to cross the midpoint to start reflecting that strength into the chart, and possibly even cancel that bear indicator here on the 15-minute chart frame. Now, let's go ahead and look at this on the 30-minute and what key levels I would watch. Going into tomorrow, the first thing I would watch is the support levels, and if these outflows continue to dominate and pull further away from the midpoint to the downside, the first support I would watch is 35 cents. Then below that is 33 cent area, and then below that level I would watch the 30 cent area and how outflows react on the 30-minute as well as here on the 15-minute if they continue to stay below the midpoint or even pull further away from it to the downside. That's going to be crucial and critical in how these bear indicators continue to react. Now, to the upside, the first thing I'll look for is, could these inflows pick back up, cross the midpoint, and eventually start reflecting that strength into the chart, cancel this bear indicator on the 30-minute and also on the 15-minute, and getting those inflows to pick up as well, and getting that strength to reflect into the chart to the upside. Now, the first resistance to the upside is where the rejection happened here, and that is 38 cents. Then above that is 40 cents, where it was consolidating and rejected this morning. And if that could get broken through and that staircase effect can continue and inflows cross back over the midpoint and we get a bull indicator in the process to cancel this bear indicator, the next resistance is 42 cents to 44 cent area to the upside, guys. These are the key levels I'm watching. I'm going to watch these bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflows. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.